Hello, so this is quite short. I'm just going to explain the organization assignment again in case it was unclear and then give you a model in the lecture notes. So your only post this week is the organization assignment. The creative analysis was your notes, and the grammar and craft is to do a works cited and in-text citations in your 2 paragraphs. At the end, I'll take our posts here of the organization assignment and I'll copy them into a giant paper just as an interesting tour of the book from a research perspective and as a useful model for what we'll do later on in the course, our only research paper. So here's what you were asked to do. Please write a 2 or 3, if you wish, if that becomes necessary for you, paragraph mini essay. No intro, no conclusions. I am just asking for what I'm calling a context paragraph and then an application paragraph where you apply it to the novel. Use in-text citations in your paragraphs. So paragraph 1 is, what is your topic? You picked one of those from the Excel sheet. What did you find? And it's going to be a condensed version, a summary of your topic. Your topic is so rich, you could write a book on it. But I'm asking for the elevator speech version, something that you have learned that is interesting to you that you can quickly use to summarize. And then in paragraph 2, why does this matter to the book? Why is this a topic? For this particular assignment, where did you see evidence for that in the book? And I've given you those questions in this Excel sheet that you could use to figure out how does this show up in the book. Find direct moments where your topic comes up in the novel. So what does that look like? Let me show you an example. All right, so this is a student model from a year's past, and it's really hard to read on this screen, so I'm going to move us over to the website where I've posted it as well. All right, so here we are on their lectures screen. I'm clicking on organization. And here's the 2 paragraphs. The topic is Nietzsche and Übermensch as it's applied to Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment. So the first paragraph here is a quick summary of what is Nietzsche's theory of the Übermensch, and then this longer paragraph, which is why it might be 2 or 3 paragraphs for you. It's really up to you. This is the application to the novel. So if you're lost or if you need a good solid model for what this can look like, please feel free to check this out. This is not by any means the only way to apply it to the novel, but I recognize what I'm asking you to do is new and I want to give you a really nice model. And then, because it might be interesting to you as well, optional reading here at the bottom. This is not just a 2-paragraph assignment. For this, I assigned the full research paper, and so if you want to see what that could look like, I'm linking it. This is the student model in its fullness. It's an entire discussion of Nietzsche's Übermensch as applied to Rudyard, to Raskolnikov. It's a good paper, and it's a nice indication of the kinds of collegiate paper writing that could happen in an English major class, which is very much what AP Literature is styled from. So this is for your own curiosity. I'm not going to ask you to do anything with this. It's just because we're doing this assignment that I thought you might like to see what would the fullness of this assignment be. Ms. Deegan just assigned a mini version. Well, what is the full version? And that is our organization assignment for the week. Let me know if you have any questions.